What did you say? Did I eat all donut? No, I didn't. Did I eat donut all? Who ate all the donuts?
You.
Why me?
Because you eat all of them.
No. Hey. Hey. That's John. Hey, that's John.
귀신 많이 가지러야 돼. 진짜. 와서 뭐 먹을 거야?
Hey, you already finished eating donuts, right? I already bought donuts for you. Don't believe in her. You're full already.